Hello! Thank you for visiting Binna Kim Art. As I mentioned from the previous video, today is only for learning and practicing the spiral technique that is generally used for making hand-tied bouquet. In this video, I will show how to use the technique for 3 times. First with rose, second time with tulip, and lastly I will present it with daffodils. Okay, then let's get started. Pick the first rose using your thumb and index finger and place on your palm of your hand. Pick the second rose and place on top of the first rose at 45-degree angle. You got it? Place the third rose on top of the second rose with the angle. And you keep adding rows on top of rows you've placed under. So this is the spiral technique. If this is your first time, it might be tricky, but don't worry, I will keep repeating this process over and over again. Okay, let's keep adding flowers. As you noticed, I keep turning the bouquet and add roses. So you are going to keep repeating this process until you make one beautiful arrangement. Now I'm adding spray roses. Place one stem of spray rose with the angle. The main reason why you need to learn this technique is first, it looks great and organized. Second, it is easy to fix the shape afterwards. As you see, I'm holding all these flowers with only one hand, which means flowers will be moved and loosened after a certain point. But with this technique, you will be able to fix the shape without difficulty, meaning pulling up and pushing down flowers easily while you are holding the bouquet. Once you get used to using this technique, you will be able to make a small bouquet in about 5 or 10 minutes. Isn't it great? Let's practice with the tulip. Hold the first stem like I did and place the second stem on top of the first one. And add third one, and fourth, and fifth. Keep adding stems. I would like to let you know that the whole shape of the bouquet has to be a semicircle. Last stem. Did you notice the center of the bouquet is quite flat? So I'm going to pull out some flowers in the area. Finally, the last practice with daffodil. I will start slow in the beginning. Okay, let me sum up how to use spiral technique. Summary. First, place flowers on top of flower that you placed under at 45-degree angle. Second, you need to keep turning the bouquet as you go along with building it. Third, remember the shape has to be a semicircle. Fourth and the last, don't forget to check the shape all the time, from the top and from the side. As you can see, I keep checking the shape. I really love the shape. Okay, I'm tying the bouquet using raffia ribbon. Ta-da! It's done! I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Feel free to check my previous video, how to make holiday feeling arrangement. If you like this video, please press thumbs up and see you next time. Thank you.